Okay, so after changing the model, here we can see the damaged model. So when we disassemble the pump, we find that the magnets were broken. It's broken. So here we can see, look, it's broken when we remove it. So after changing only the impeller pump model, there is a new. So we're gonna start to spray to see if the problem is fixed. Here's the remote controller. Here we don't see any alert, so we're gonna start to spray. This is the motor, but here. Cruz, sostén ahí por favor, para que esté, ¿no? So we're gonna start the spray, and here we can see that it is now throwing. So now we're gonna connect it here. Here it is. And now we're gonna see the spray rod. We're gonna start to spray. Now it's spraying. So the problem was the impeller pump model.